All right, children, let's get ready for the morning prayer. Sit straight, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Sit straight, all of you. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Parth, join your hands. Close your eyes. Myra, Sayash, join your hands. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom come. Your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread and forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. All right, a very good morning to all of you children. I hope you are all fine and safe at home, and all of you are happy to be in class once again. This is your social studies now. We are going to do a new lesson today in social studies, and that lesson is going to tell you a lot about your school. Now this year it's very sad that we are not in school, but you have already been to school, cathedral school, in your KG class, in your nursery class. You have seen the whole school. You have spent 2 years there, enjoyed yourself with your friends. And I know that you are all praying soon everything will be okay. And once again, we'll be back in school. You'll be able to see everything there. You'll be able to enjoy with your friends. Right? Now, this lesson which we are going to study today.
Which page number, ma'am?
Don't open the page just now. First listen to me.
Good morning, ma'am.
First listen to me. Sit straight. Hold your hands. Alia, sit straight. Myra, put your pencil down. Sit straight. Now school is a place where we go to study. And we learn lot of things over there. We not only study, we also enjoy with our friends and with our teachers. Yes? We play games in your KG and nursery classes. You must have been playing lot of games, doing lot of activities with your teachers. I remember seeing you all had lot of activities. Going to the market, you all did, where you took potatoes and all the vegetables. Do you remember KG class में ये सब activities करी थी ना? Yes? याद है कुछ? KG क्लास में मैम ने आप लोगों को बाहर लेकर जाती थी, पार्क में लेके जाती थी. You all used to go on the swings. In the playground, you all used to play and enjoy yourself over there also. We used to have assembly outside. याद है ये सब चीजें? कि भूल गए? याद है? Give me a thumbs up if you remember. Yes, we used to do all these things, children, in school. Once again, when the schools are open, we'll do everything. We'll enjoy in school. And in school, you have a lot of teachers, right, who teach you, who play with you, who guide you, who help you with everything. And you remember we had sister's office. Sister was there. अगर चोट लग जाती थी या तबीयत नहीं ठीक होती थी तो मैम सिस्टर ऑफिस में भेजती थी. ओके, एंड द सिक रूम वाज देयर. रिमेंबर, मैम आपको बोलती थी आपकी वहां पर रेस्ट करिए जब तक मम्मी पापा लेने के लिए आते हैं. याद है? डू यू रिमेंबर ऑल दीज थिंग्स? All these rooms were there. Sister's office was there. The sick room was there. Then you had the playground in your school where you used to go. You had the beautiful swings, the children's park. Do you remember the children's park, sir? Yes? Why are you looking so sad, Alia? What happened? Sit straight, smile. So we have all these things in school. And then you have the principal in school, who is managing everything, who's taking care of everything. He sits in his office. The room where he sits, that's known as the principal's office. And where you sit and study, that is your classroom, where the teachers sit down and they do the corrections. That's the staff room, where all the teachers sit. Then you have the library. Library is a place where you have lot of books, children. We can go there, sit and read books. and you have to sit very quietly in the library. The library rule, the first and most important rule is that you have to sit quietly. You don't have to talk in the library at all. You have to sit there, read the books that are there, and when you grow big, you will go there for reference also. For your studies, you will get big books. So these are all the different things that you have in your school and all the activities that you do in your school. In the playground, teachers used to make you play a lot of things. Now, we'll come to the lesson and see what the lesson is telling you about our school. Before that, I'm going to ask one child, what is the name of your school? Bhavika, unmute yourself and give me the name of your school. Bhavika. Okay, I think there's some network problem.
Ma'am, Cathedral Senior Secondary School.
Okay, very good. Cathedral Senior Secondary School. That's very good. That's the name of your school. Now you can open your books to page number 52.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, do we have library?
Yes, you have a library in school. Now in class 1, children, it was a time for you to go to the library. But
Excuse me, ma'am. Page number?
page
you, ma'am.
number
Thank you, ma'am.
52. Page number 52. You have a lot of pictures given on this page. You have the classroom, then you have the field where the children are doing march past, you can see. Then you have the picture of a principal. This principal is a lady. Right? Now first sentence over there says, this is my school. The name of my school is Cathedral Senior Secondary School. Now take your pencil and write the name of your school there. Cathedral Senior Secondary School.
Ma'am,
See? Yes?
which page number?
52.
Okay.
Cathedral. Cathedral. It is pronounced as cathedral. Alia, write over there. Cathedral. Cathedral. S-E, all capital, S capital, S-E-N-I-O-R, senior. S-E-N-I.
Ma'am, what is spelling of cathedral?
Alia, when I was telling the spelling of cathedral, you were not paying attention. That is why I was telling you, child, pay attention. I'm telling you again, now you have to pay attention. C-A-T, write it now, you are still not looking. C-A-T-H-E-D-R-A-L, cathedral. If you have written, give me a thumbs up, Alia. Okay, now write senior, capital S-E-N-I-O-R, senior. Sayansh, you have to write, mummy को नहीं लिखना है सायांश.
मैम स्कूल ना लिखे.
लिखना है. Senior, S-E-N-I-O-R, senior. Now write secondary, capital S again, S-E-C-O-N-D-A-R-Y. Adia, write. Aradhya, your mic is on, child. There's disturbance. secondary, secondary. एंड देन स्कूल, अगर स्कूल लिखने की वहां पर स्पेस नहीं है तो नीचे जो लाइन के नीचे स्पेस है, यू कैन राइट इट देयर और यू कैन राइट अबव SCHOOL, SCHOOL. When you finish, give me a thumbs up and put your pencils down. Now, before I move further, children, let me tell you one thing. All of you sit straight. Sayansh, hurry up. We are going to begin with our half-yearly exams very soon. और यूनिट टेस्ट में पेपर्स छोटे थे, आपने जल्दी से लिख के फिनिश कर लिया, लेकिन हाफ ईयरलीज में आपको 1 आवर का टाइम मिलेगा और आपको पूरा पेपर उसमें फिनिश करना है. क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भी होंगे उसमें, एक्सरसाइजेस भी होंगी, सब कुछ होगा. तो आपको जल्दी से काम करना सीखना है. मम्मी की हैंड राइटिंग में कोई काम मेरे पास नहीं आएगा, आपको करना है. क्लासेस आप अटेंड कर रहे हैं, क्लास 1 में आप पढ़ते हैं. सो यू हैव टू लर्न टू राइट ऑन योर ओन और यू हैव टू लर्न टू राइट फास्ट. हाउ विल यू डू दैट? डेली आप मम्मी को बोलेंगे आपके जो सोशल स्टडीज और साइंस के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं, आप अपनी रफ कॉपी में लिखकर प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, लर्न करेंगे पहले, उसके बाद उसको बिना देखे लर्न करेंगे. और मम्मी को बोलेंगे आपको टाइम करेंगी, मोबाइल में टाइमर लगाएंगी, उतने टाइम में आपका काम फिनिश हो जाना चाहिए. और ये नहीं कि जल्दी जल्दी गंदा काम आप करेंगे, आपको जल्दी भी करना है लेकिन आपको साफ काम, नीट वर्क यू हैव टू डू चिल्ड्रन. सो प्लीज स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग टू राइट. इफ यू रिमेंबर, यूनिट टेस्ट के पहले जब हम आपको रिवीजन करा रहे थे, हम आपको जब हम व्हाट्सएप पे ऑडियोज बना के भेजते थे, हम आपको बोलते थे राइट द आंसर इन योर रजिस्टर 2 times 3 times एंड प्रैक्टिस. वो हम इसीलिए प्रैक्टिस कराते थे जिससे आपकी राइटिंग स्पीड हो जाएगी और आपको लर्न भी हो जाएगा. उसी तरह से आप अभी अपना लर्निंग वर्क शुरू करेंगे, रिवीजन घर पे शुरू करेंगे. Is that clear? Because you have to learn to write fast. Sayansh, look in front. You have to learn to be quick in your work and at the same time you have to be neat. Because now you are growing big. You are in a big class in class 1. You're no more in KG class. Yes? You all are big children? Class 1 में यूनिफॉर्म भी आपकी चेंज हो जाती है. You have a nice smart uniform with the tie and everything. Right? So you are big now, you have to learn to be quick in everything. सारे काम जल्दी करने सीखने हैं. Will you all practice writing fast? Will you? Give me a thumbs up if you will. Okay, that's nice. Now coming back to the lesson, page number 52. Our school has a big building. There are many classrooms in the building. The principal sits in his/her office and looks after the functioning of the school. Functioning means कैसे स्कूल को मैनेज करते हैं प्रिंसिपल, क्या क्या काम करना होता है, वो सब कुछ the principal has to manage. Now the value point, see the value point, one little boy is there, it says keep your school clean. आपको अपना स्कूल क्लीन रखना है. चिप्स एंड बिस्किट्स खाने के बाद रैपर स्कूल ग्राउंड पे नहीं फेंकना है या क्लासरूम में नहीं फेंकना है. यू हैव टू पुट देम ऑल इनटू द डस्टबिन. देन द नेक्स्ट इज द प्रिंसिपल इज द हेड ऑफ द स्कूल. दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू शुड नो चिल्ड्रन, हु इज द हेड ऑफ द स्कूल? द प्रिंसिपल. ऑलराइट, द प्रिंसिपल इज द हेड ऑफ द स्कूल. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू पेज नंबर 53. There are many teachers in our school. They teach us many subjects. They sit in the staff room in their free periods. Teachers get free periods sometime. We sit in the staff room and then in those free periods we do our corrections. आपकी copies correction करते हैं, check करते हैं. We learn many things at school. Our school has a big library. I told you in our cathedral school also we have a library, a big library is there with lots of books, children. Very nice colorful books are there in your school library, you know. When everything will get okay and you will go back to school, you will get those lovely books to read. You must be seeing that cartoon Peppa Pig. Do you all watch Peppa Pig? Okay, some of you are giving me a thumbs up. That means you're watching. You have Peppa Pig story books also in your library. When we'll go to school, तो आप लोग को Peppa Pig की stories भी मिलेंगी पढ़ने के लिए. All right. Now we have a computer room as well. In your school, you have a computer lab also, children. There's a computer room with lots of computers. And the teacher takes the children to the computer lab. वहाँ पर आप बैठकर अपना computer पर practice करते हैं, practicals करते हैं. So when school opens, you will be going to the computer lab also. Keep praying hard, children, so that everything gets okay and we are back in school soon. Next, we learn to operate computers there. Computers कैसे चलाना है? Operate means कैसे आपको use करना है, चलाना है. You will learn all this over there. We have a medical room for taking rest and getting medical help if any student or teacher falls ill. You have, remember, the medical room is there, the sick room is there. At the side of sister's office, we have the sick room. When you get hurt, you go and rest over there till your parents come. Then see, it says, see the pictures there, children. On the right hand side, you have the picture of the staff room. All the teachers are sitting there. They are doing their work, the corrections. On page 53, Myra. And then you have the picture of a library. The library was all full of books. Can you see? And the children are sitting and reading. This is how you will also sit and read in your library, school library, when you go to school. Now it says zone of assessment. Can you identify this room in your school? What do you learn here? Now see, the children are singing over there and one child is playing the keyboard. So can you tell me which room is this? Vikyat? Look at that picture. Page number 53. Look at that picture, Vikyat. And tell me, वो कौन सा रूम है जहां पर सब सिंग करते हैं, कीबोर्ड बजाते हैं?
Singing room.
Singing. Okay, that's right. So the question says, can you identify this room in your school? Over there you write, yes, this is the music room. Right? Yes, Y-E-S, yes. Y-E-S, yes. Comma. Alia, right. Sayansh, right. Sayansh, right. Y-E-S, yes. Zone of assessment, जहां पर म्यूजिक रूम की पिक्चर दी है वहां पर लिखे Y-E-S, yes, comma. Music room, M-U. Ashrika, right. M-U-S-I-C. Alia, you're not writing. What happened? M-U-S-I-C, music, R-O-O-M, room. Shanawaz, M-U-S-I-C, right?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम रिपीट कर दीजिए.
M-U-S-I-C. M-U.
मैम यस से
Y-E-S लिखिए. यस तो आप बोल रहे हैं ना? Y-E-S, yes, comma, music room. And the next line, what do you learn here? Music room में music सीखते हैं. So write there music, M-U-S-I-C again. Arjun, write MUSIC. Arjun, right, child, what's happening? Sayansh, have you finished? Okay. Now put your pencils down and let's go further. There is a big playground in our school. We play many games like football, cricket, kho-kho, etc. Now these are all the names of the different sports, different games that you play in school. There is a canteen in our school. We buy snacks and cold drinks from the canteen. We should keep our school clean. You have a canteen in your school. All of you have seen the canteen? Yes? Give me a thumbs up if you have seen the school canteen. Yes, all of you have seen the canteen in Cathedral School. That's nice. So we have a canteen in school, children, and you're supposed to keep your school clean. So always remember, जब स्कूल खुलेगा भी तो स्कूल आपको अपना क्लीन रखना है. You have to take care of everything in the school. You have to look after your school. You have to keep it clean. जहाँ पर आप रहते हैं वो एरिया अपना हमेशा क्लीन रखना चाहिए. You have to take care of everything. Right? Now the next page, page 54. Turn the page. It says word bank, the pink box. Put your finger there. Alia, put your finger there in the pink box. I'm just reading. Pay attention. School, a place where children read and write. School is a place where children read and write. Shanawar, pay attention. Library, a storehouse of books. A storehouse of books means lots of books are there. The whole library is full of books. Shanawar, put your pencil down, child. You will hurt yourself. And the next is principal, head of a school. Principal is the head of your school. Please put over there learn. You should know this. LEARN. Sayansh, write over there LEARN, learn. The next box says keep in mind. Our school has a big building. There are many classrooms in our school. The principal is the head of our school. There are many teachers in our school. Our school has a big library. Our school has a staff room where teachers sit in their free time. Our school has a big playground. Our school has a canteen where food items are sold. Now, with that, we come to the end of your social studies period. For your homework, you will read this lesson very nicely today. All right? So, thank you. See you again in the next period now.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye.